Okay, I just wanted to make a quick video showing you how to upload exclusions to a master placement exclusion list for a Google Ads manager account. So placement exclusion lists are lists that you will use to compile poor quality placements, right? This could be clickbaity websites, kids' websites, foreign language websites, a number of other types of placements that you do not want your ads to be shown on. So what I like to do is compile a master exclusion list of every poor placement that I've ever seen and exclude those from accounts from day one in order to save money, because that way you won't be showing your ads there. The lists themselves need to be updated every once in a while, though, by exporting the campaign level exclusions that you've been adding over the last X amount of time and adding them manually to the list. To do that, you'll go to Tools, Shared Library, Exclusion Lists, or Placement Exclusion Lists, and then I've got lists built out for display and YouTube. Go into the list, click Add, Edit List, Enter, and then copy all of the URLs that you have and paste them into this section. We'll just add a few just to show you how it's done. Add this one. I know it's really bad. Quick thing, really important. Once you add the URLs into this field, make sure you click Add One Placement. I have done this many times. You add the URLs and click Save. They haven't actually been added to the list at that point, so it does nothing. So that's how you add the list. Another thing you want to make sure you do when you're in this section is I've got a list of quality placements. These are the rare good placements that you find in a Google Ads account. Just make sure CNN's in there. Another thing you want to do is just take all of these placements, copy them, Control-C, and then click Filter, Placement Contains, and then Apply. You want to just review to make sure that the placements that you want to target have not been added as placement exclusions. Okay, yeah, so this was actually in the list. This also flags for when you make mistakes in the list, which I clearly did here. Yeah, that's like a foreign language account. I don't know how that ended up in this list. I did see this earlier, though. That's why it was flagged for me. This one I think we'll keep. I don't really know what it is, but it looks like a semi-legit newspaper. So we can remove that. Sometimes things like #art.com get added because it's got the word art.com, which is one of the placements we want to target. Weird. I must have had some issues at one point because there's some low quality stuff in the high quality list. Yeah, something like that we can probably remove. Political insider. Maybe not that. Yep. Anyways, this is just a way to check and make sure you don't make mistakes, because as you can see right now, it's very easy to. Cool. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out or leave a comment. Cheers.